Hello friend, my name is Bunny Rabbit, and today I am excited to tell you about our latest November 2012 rabbit deal of the month on behalf of Aaron Webster from rabbitbreeders.us. As a subscriber of our Rabbit Breeders newsletter, you can take advantage of a time-limited offer and grab a copy of the Raising Rabbits 101 ebook for over a 50% price reduction off the normal price. That means that you can grab a copy of Raising Rabbits 101 for only $4.95 if you act today. If you haven't already heard, Raising Rabbits 101 has been labeled by numerous successful rabbit raisers as being the ultimate must-have guide to raising rabbits. The book contains tons of information on all different aspects of raising rabbits, ranging from feeding to kindling to rabbit health. To learn more about the ebook and to claim your exclusive discount, please click on the link below this video. Take care, my friend.